North American spec says 0W20. However, this does not have a North American engine. It's got the Renault MR16 DDT engine. It's Castrol Edge Euro car. The one thing that you need to look for, look at that, Renault RN. This spec, Renault RN 0700, which is up here, and the RN 0710. This is the proper spec for this engine. $14 mil. So while you take it out, make sure you press against it so that way it doesn't pop out on you and then cover you with oil. And now that she's leaking a little, boop, there we go. It's seated. Now, squish the washer. And then 2 fingers. Let's like a spark plug. That's it. Getting up my second pan under here. And now let's take that oil filter off. Well, the old gasket's there, so that's good. Now I'm just comparing filters. 6607, 6607. Looks like the same. Let's take a bit of oil. Not that it matters. I mean, there's oil on the seal, oil on the ring above and all that. So, and we're going to put this in by hand gently. All right, get the oil filter on. There. Right, so this car takes 4.5 liters, or I mean, it's like 4.73 quarts of yeah, looking good. And that, guys, is how you change the oil on a 2016 Nissan Juke. See you all in the next one.